Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Chevrolet Malibu, 2004 to 2007? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Chevrolet Malibu 2004 to 2007 protects circuits for interior features like power windows, locks, lighting, and the audio system. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Chevrolet Malibu 2004 and 2005 controls and protects high-power systems like the ECM, ABS, cooling fans, and lighting. The engine compartment fuse box in the Chevrolet Malibu 2006 and 2007 distributes and safeguards power to vital systems like the ECM, ABS, lighting, and cooling fans. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Chevrolet Malibu 2004 to 2007 protects circuits for rear electrical components like the rear defogger, audio amplifier, and trunk release.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.